Hi, I'm Mike Goulian, and I'm here today to introduce you to one of the most cost-effective safety enhancements you can bring to your airplane, the Whelen Aerospace BoomBeam HID landing and taxi lights for the Falcon jet. We will also take a look at how it compares to the stock lighting. The landing lights are 60 watt. They are cooler burning, but best case provides 150,000 candle power. That's about half the light output of the standard halogen or incandescent lamp. They provide a nice blue glow, however, not much in the way of distance where it's needed for landing. Next, we'll review the Whelen Aerospace BoomBeam HID lighting system. The wing root landing light system for the Falcon series aircraft features precision CNC bracketry, mil-spec powder-coated finish, and Whelen Aerospace patented triple light array technology. The triple 85 watt lights fit the same footprint of the stock housing, produces minimal heat, and deliver 1,200,000 candle power per each assembly. This translates into over 2.4 million candle power for the entire aircraft. Now, this is the performance you would expect for a landing light system. A brilliant white light with extended range and coverage. Whether you're landing at night or taxiing at an unfamiliar airport, your stress will be a thing of the past. Not to mention, increased safety of flight for your crew and passengers.